In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install AutoCAD 2027 on your Windows 11 PC step by step. AutoCAD is one of the most popular CAD software programs used for 2D drafting, 3D design, architecture, engineering, construction drawings, mechanical design, and many other professional projects. So whether you're a student, designer, engineer, architect, or just getting started with CAD, this guide will help you install AutoCAD correctly on your computer. Before we start, make sure your PC is connected to the internet, and also make sure you have enough storage space available because the installer can be large. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type AutoCAD free trial and press enter. From the search results, click the official Autodesk website link. Make sure you are downloading AutoCAD from the official Autodesk website to avoid unsafe or fake installers. I'll also leave the official website link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the Autodesk AutoCAD page, look for the Download Free Trial button and click on it. Now Autodesk may ask you how you plan to use the software. You may see options like Business, Education, Home Use, or File Viewer. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Business, but you can choose the option that matches your situation. After that, click Next to continue. Now you may be asked to choose the product you want to download. Select AutoCAD. If you see different AutoCAD products or specialized toolsets, choose the one that matches what you need. But for this tutorial, we are installing the standard AutoCAD 2027 version on Windows 11. After selecting AutoCAD, click Next, Sign In. Now enter your email address and click Continue. If you already have an Autodesk account, sign in with your account details. If you don't have an account yet, create a new Autodesk account by entering your name, email, password, and the required information. After creating your account, accept the terms and conditions, then continue. Once you're signed in, Autodesk may ask you to complete your profile. Add the required information, such as your industry, role, company name, phone number, and address. After filling in the form, click Complete to submit. Autodesk may also ask you to verify your phone number. If this step appears, enter your phone number, wait for the verification code, then type the code into the verification box. Once your phone number is verified, click Continue. Now you should see the download options. Select AutoCAD 2027 as the version. Then choose your operating system. Since we are using Windows 11, select the Windows version. Next, choose your preferred language. I'm going to leave it as English. After that, click Install or Download. The AutoCAD installer will now start downloading to your computer. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed, so wait until it is complete. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder. Find the AutoCAD installer file you just downloaded. Now double-click the installer file to open it. If Windows shows a message asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. The Autodesk installer will now open. Wait a moment while the installer prepares the setup files. After that, you'll see the AutoCAD installation window. Click Run Installer, read and accept the license agreement, then click Next. Now choose the installation location. For most users, I recommend leaving the default location selected because it is the easiest and safest option. If you want to change the installation folder, you can do that here. Once everything is ready, click Install. AutoCAD 2027 will now begin installing on your Windows 11 PC. This process may take several minutes depending on your computer's speed, so do not close the installer while it is running. During installation, Autodesk may install additional required components. This is normal, so just wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, you should see a message saying the installation was successful. Click Finish. Now you can open AutoCAD. You can launch it from the desktop shortcut if one was created, or you can open the Start menu, search for AutoCAD 2027, and click the app from the search results. When AutoCAD opens for the first time, it may ask you to sign in. Sign in with the same Autodesk account you used earlier. If you are using the free trial, follow the on-screen instructions to start or activate your trial. After signing in, AutoCAD will load the main workspace. You may see a welcome screen with tutorials, templates, and recent files. From here you can start a new drawing, open an existing project, or choose a template based on the type of work you want to do. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed AutoCAD 2027 on your Windows 11 PC.